Okay, so we're doing question 15. In the diagram below, triangle BCD is on a horizontal plane, which means it's like flat on the table, and A is vertically above B, which means you're like looking from A down. So it's a 3D shape. Okay, so first thing that we're going to be working out is this little length over here. So if I think about what I've got in my diagram, I've got triangle from C to B to D, because I need two pieces of information on this triangle to be able to solve it. So C to B to D, pretend like that looks good. Okay, 60 degrees, 8, 10. Okay, so we want to find this other side here. Now I have one angle and three sides, which means I'm using the cosine rule. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Now, these two have to match. That's the only thing that matters. So this side of A matches this angle of A. So x squared equals 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 8 times 10 cos of 60 degrees. Now, this is about triangles, so we are looking at degrees, not radians. So if your calculator's in the wrong mode, you'll have to change it now. So I'm going to go menu, run matrix, run matrix. Now I'm going to change my mode so that it's not in radians. So shift, setup, change to degrees. Execute. Okay, so now I can put this in. So 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 bracket 8 bracket 10 bracket cos of 60. Execute. Okay, so we get 84. So then we found that x squared is equal to 84. Now I have to take the squared over by square rooting, and x equals the square root of 84. I'm going to leave that in exacts for the moment. So this angle here, or this length from B to D, is 84. So now we're going to be thinking about the triangle that's made up of A to B, that little lengthy bit there. So remember, this is the horizontal plane and the vertical plane, which means that we are going to be looking at a right angle in the corner here. Now, that bottom bit is going to be 40 degrees at A, and this top part then, sorry, labelled the wrong one. So here we've got the 40, not here. Let's just scribble that out. Okay, so we've got the 40 up there, the right angle, and then we've got the square root of 84. Okay, so now I'm trying to find this, which is our side length of H, not X. Okay, so now I'm going to put that in as this is our angle. So this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. So I'm using tan. So tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So tan of 40 degrees equals square root of 84 over the hypotenuse. These two are going to flippity flop. So H is equal to square root of 84 over tan 40. Make sure your calculator is still in degrees. So I'm going to enter that in. Press execute, and there's my answer. So H equals 10.9, and we'll go to 2 decimal places because we're looking at A length. And does it tell us what unit we're using here? No, it doesn't. So we're just going to say units.